Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean my kitchen counters with less. Now I know you're thinking less what? Well, I'm going to clean my kitchen counters off with just baking soda and water. And I know you're thinking less what? Well, I have seen people use baking soda like so thick and so much of it, almost like they were coating chicken or onion rings to go in the deep fat fryer. You don't need a lot of this. And I know I could use bleach to do this, but I really would rather use something more natural and less caustic and safer for me to use. Now, I don't know how well you can see it, but these counters are kind of dirty from just everyday use. Now you see, I did not sprinkle very much. It's hard to see white on white. I did not sprinkle much baking soda on there. And I'm using one of these blue non-stick or non-scratch kind of sponges. And I'm just going to do a little bit of an area in hopes that you can compare the two and see how well this actually will clean this just everyday grime off of here. And I am not using a whole lot. I mean, I'm not coating this thing with baking soda. And yeah, you could use more if you really want to, but my point is, why? Why use more when you can get by with yet less? Why spend your money if you don't need to? Now I can see a difference between this area which is dirty and this area which I have wiped off with the sponge, and about this area right here. I hope that you can see this in the video to see how easily that actually came off, and the fact that I didn't have to coat this thing solid with the baking soda, just a little bit. And I've cleared off my whole counter. I'm going to do this with the entire countertop and just sprinkle a little bit at a time and just make my way through it, because it just does not take a whole lot of product to clean this off, especially when you use this mildly abrasive sponge. And when you're finished, if you really feel like you need to sanitize it that much more, if you don't want to use the bleach, which I don't blame you, you could take some rubbing alcohol and put it on your countertop. Let it sit there for a few minutes and then wipe it off with a damp cloth, and you will have a freshly sanitized countertop. Now I hope this inspires you to use a little less of the cleaning product than what you might be inclined to do, just to test it out and see how well it will do. Why use more when you can use less and make it stretch that much further, save a few dollars on your cleaning budget. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Have a great day.